How to use Apple Pay on iPhone? In today's video, I'm going to show you as quickly as possible how to set up your wallet app so you can use Apple Pay to pay in public without having to pull out a physical card. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Start by finding and opening your wallet app. From here, see if you have any cards you can use. If you don't, hit the plus in the top right corner, and from here you're able to add a debit card or credit card. Do keep in mind not all banks support this, but most of them do, at least in the United States. Once you've got that all set up, at any time you would like to Apple Pay in public, go ahead and tap your power button twice on the right side of the device. You can do this while it's locked or when it's awake. When you do this, it's going to have you verify your Face ID or password, at which point you can then tap the card and pay with it. If you have another card you would like to use, you can tap it in this app, it will come up, and you'll do the same thing. Verify yourself, and then you're able to tap it on a device in real life to use it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.